Hello everyone, so welcome you all to Ashok Tutorials. So my dear friends, as you know, we are solving mathematics of class 9, right? And we are solving exercise 2.3 in this video, and we have the very first question, that is what? Determine which of the following polynomial has factor x plus 1, right? So here we have to find out whether the given number, that is x plus 1, is a factor of these given polynomial or not. So if we get the result after solving this problem as 0, then yes, we can say that this x plus 1 is a factor of the given problem, right? So how do we do it? Observe carefully. So alright, first what we will do, we'll write this thing first. So x plus 1 equals 0. So x equals what? It equals minus 1, right? Now listen carefully. Now we are going to put this minus 1 in place of x everywhere, right? And similarly we are going to put this minus 1 in all the following sums which are coming, alright? Like number 2, number 3, number 4, everywhere we will put the value of x to be minus 1, right? So let's start. So here I will put minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1, right? This much is clear. I hope it's clear, right? Nothing to explain. So here see, minus cube, so minus into minus is what? Plus, right? Then plus into minus is minus, yes. Then 1 into 1 into 1 is what? Of course 1, right? Now see here, minus square, so minus into minus is plus, so plus into plus is plus again. This 1 into 1 is 1, right? Then plus into minus is minus, then 1, then this plus 1. So now when you can strike off, whatever you can strike off, cut off, you just cut off and you see what do you get. So we know that minus plus cancel, minus plus cancel. So what do you get? Yes, you get here 0, right? So we were expected to get 0 only, so we got 0. So that's why we can say yes, that x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. Alright, now we have the second problem, so we will solve it in a similar way as we did with number 1, right? So in place of x we are going to put what? Minus 1. So let's do it. Alright, so minus 1 to the power 4 plus minus 1 to the power 3 plus minus 1 square plus minus 1, then this plus 1 plus 1, right? So now we are going to solve them. So here you see minus 4 times minus into minus is plus, then minus into plus is minus, then again minus into minus is plus. So here we get plus, right? So plus 1, then here see, here we get 3 times minus, so minus into minus is plus, then plus into minus is minus. So here we will get the sign as minus, then 1 into 1 into 1 is 1, right? Now here minus into minus is plus, so here we are going to get plus sign, then 1, then minus into plus is minus again, then 1, then plus 1, right? Now you observe, can you cut anything here? Yes, we can, right? So plus minus plus minus, so you're left with what? You're left with only plus 1, right? So is these is this a factor of the given polynomial? No, it is not a factor of the given polynomial. Why? Because it does not equal to 0. If we would have got 0 here after calculation, then yes, we can say that yes, this was a factor of the given polynomial. But since we have not got 0, we got 1 as the end product or as the answer. So that's why we cannot say that yes, it is a factor of the given polynomial. So it is not a factor of the given polynomial. Well, so let's continue with number 3 now, the similar way. So equals, so here in place of x we are going to put minus 1, then here 4 plus 3, then again here minus 1, in place of x cube plus 3, then again minus 1 whole square plus minus 1, then again the last one, that is plus 1, right? This much you understood. Now let's calculate. So as you know, minus into minus into minus into minus is what? It is plus. So positive 1 we get here. Then here we get 3. Then this one minus into minus 3 times, what we will get? Minus 1 only we will get. So minus 1 into plus 3 is minus 3, right? Plus, then see, 3 into 1 you will get 3, and minus into minus is plus, so plus 3, right? Then plus into minus is minus, then 1, then plus 1, right? Now what will you do here? You'll cancel. What will you cancel here? You'll cancel plus 3 minus 3, and what will you cancel? Plus 1 and minus 1. So what you're left with? You're left with only 1, which is not equal to 0. So that's why this is also not a factor of the given polynomial. Well, so now we have the last number, that is number 4. So let us solve. Alright, so here we're at minus 1 cube plus minus, then again minus 1 square, then minus, then what do we write here? See, we'll just interchange the sign, alright? That is, minus will become plus and plus will become minus, right? Right? Or else we'll just continue it like this, alright? Let's just continue. 2 plus root 2, and here in place of x we'll write minus 1 plus root 2, right? I hope this is clear. We get here minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, we get what? Minus 1 only, right? Then here minus, then plus, minus into minus is plus, so 1 here, alright? Then we have here minus, this one we'll write as it is, plus root 2 minus 1 plus root 2. Or what we can do here is that we can just change this sign, right? Or we can just multiply this one. So how do we do it? With this 1 we will multiply, so this one will become minus, and here also plus into minus is minus, and this one will go away, right? So now we are left with this minus 2 here, minus into minus is plus, right? So minus minus is plus, so this sign will interchange, alright? This plus will be, minus will become plus, this minus will also become plus. So we get here plus 2 plus root 2 plus root 2, alright? So now this 2 and this 2 is gone, so we are left with what? 2 root 2. Is this equal to 0? No, this is not equal to 0. So that's why this is also not a factor of the given polynomial, right? So I hope it was clear for you to understand, right? So thank you everyone for watching.